Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can create some cool text effects using envelope tool, which is the tool that's used to change the position or the size of an object. In this case we're going to be changing the size, the orientation and the perspective of the text. So let's start. Create any text just like this, type anything, for example perspective, and change the font to, let's say, this. We have a text now. Now envelope tool is this one. It's used to change the shape of something. We're going to be changing the shape of this text. Click on it and then, well, remove these midpoints of each line and then convert it into a straight line so that it doesn't look curvy, so that the text doesn't look curvy. Once you've made them all in the form of line, drag a point to change the shape of this text. Ooh, and now it has some 3D kinda look into it. Let's go back, change it back to here, and let's make some, let's say, some 3D objects by the use by means of vanishing point, just like this. And then you do the same just like this by making the lines that will be facing the vanishing point both on the left side and the right side. So yeah, that's how you do this. So let's make some parts of the stairs by doing this, and then you go back to the text and then you do some resizing just like this, and then you just do this again, for example, and then once you're done creating some lines to to make it look like this, all you have to do now is to hold on, like this, and then go back to the text. Go back to the text by clicking on it. Click on the envelope tool just like this, and then do it like this to change the position and the size and the orientation of this text. That will go like this, and then you can simply do some tweaks here by clicking on the text again, and then you simply do some tweaks so that it looks just like this, for example. Ooh, it's looking cool now. Let's make the stair rise by copying it back just like this, and then you want to make a line from the vanishing point again so that it looks like this, and then drag the text here and then make some adjustments by clicking the envelope tool again. Make sure this one is straight and goes vertical. Alright, from this point, which is the base, and then you make it vertical just like so, and then you just do some change in the sizing just like so that it doesn't look too large, just like this. And then you may want to do another step just like this. You simply create this one and then do it like this, the lines from the vanishing point again, and then you copy this one again, and then you just click on the envelope tool to change the shape again. Hold on, let me put it like this, and then click on the envelope tool to change the shape again so that it looks, hold on, so it looks like this. This is the edge of the stair steps, just like so. You can do a little bit of resizing just like this. There, that's a cool text effects that we just created like this. Hold on, the line is not included, so we can copy this and do it just like this, and then when you're done, then when you delete the lines, it will look like this. It's looking fancy, isn't it? or maybe we can just resize the edited text that we just made. So what if you don't erase the midpoints and you don't convert the lines that acts as a frame of the text into a straight line? Let's demonstrate. Let's do this. Create another text and then do it the same, just like this, and then head over to envelope tool, click on it, and then when you haven't made any change, it will go curvy just like this, but it will look wavy. It will look cool too. That will be a really cool effect to apply, just like this. And then you simply change it back to normal, just like this, and then you copy it back. And then when you do some adjustments to the text, just like so, and then click on the envelope tool again, and then do some adjustment to, let's say, the direction of the text, just like so. And then you simply do it just like this. Then you also create a cool text effects, just like so. It's wavy, and then it also has this perspective in it. But well, I'm going to just use this one, and then okay, that's pretty much it. That's how you can use envelope tool to make this cool text effects where its shape is changed, just like this. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.